So this is my multimeter. It's not working at the moment, and that is because I need to change the batteries, or in this case it's just one battery. It's a 9-volt battery. I've done it before. So what we need to do first is take this cover off. That protects it, and then a small screwdriver like so, and just undo the 3 screws here. And there it is. Now, while we've got it open, there are 2 fuses. This one here, which is 10 amps, and this one here, which is 250 milliamps. Let's put a bit closer if you can see. It's a bit dark, I'm sorry about that. So if you have put too much power, too much voltage through, or current, then you may have blown these fuses, but in this case it's not. Now, to replace this 9-volt battery, best one to get is an alkaline battery. It's 9 volts. Okay, I'll try and get a new one. I bought these quite cheap. I bought 4 in one packet. They're not that expensive, and they do last a long time, but it's best not to get the cheap ones because you don't want it to leak. So put it back together, push it in, carefully line up the cover. There it is. Now, I think it's identical. So just slide it in. That's it there. And then to put the wire, the cables back on, and you've got the common in the middle. And then if you look carefully, let's take it off again. If you look carefully what it says. So common is normally black, and then you've got this side here, which is the red side. You can see what it does there. This is for the voltage, and this side here, if you take it there, and that is for the 10 amp side. So that's it. Let me just turn it on to prove it works. There you go. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So please like, share and subscribe. Just turn it off and we're finished.